Welcome, welcome. It's Joey Atlas, exercise physiologist, private health and fitness coach and consultant. I've got a video clip you're going to watch. 10 years apart. First clip is from when I was 39. Depressed, unhealthy. Inside, I was unhealthy. My numbers were bad. Blood pressure was bad. My mindset was bad. I was going through an awfully tough period of life, like we all do at times. And that was not the first for me, but it was a tough one. It was a hard one. You can see it. My point in making this 10-year time-lapse video is that you can see the difference. You could see that I was older at 39, not just on the inside, but on the outside. You could see it. My spirit was dying. And if you know what I'm talking about, when I say spirit is dying, you know what I'm talking about, because you've probably been there yourself. I was not me. I was not the true me. I was not myself. And it was, but thinking about it brings back memories. But I had to do it. I had to do these videos as good as I can, I had to make the best of it, because I still wanted to help people back then. And what's great is that it captured me, okay? It captured me in the moment, even struggling, still trying to move forward. For myself personally, for my kids, for my family, and to try to help people. I know that's what I've been put here to do, to help people. So in trying to do that, I had to work with what I had. That's it. There was no other way. So I simply did the best I could. Okay, so that video that you're gonna see, both videos, you're only going to see certain clips of the videos. The full-length videos, if you want to see them, are going to be linked to below here in the description underneath this video. Okay, so if you want to see the full-length videos, after this one, scroll down, you'll see them, links to each of them. And take a look at the number of views on each video, okay? And then leave me a comment under this one, leave me a comment on the other ones if you go watch them. Also, use the material in the videos. They're very, very similar. The newer one is probably a little bit better in application, practical use. But make use of the cardio routines. They do work. They do burn the fat. They do keep you functional. They are gentle. They are safe for most people. If you're unsure, get clearance from your doctor. Okay, why am I sharing these two video clips condensed down and compared back to back? Because I want to show you that we can get better with age, a lot better with age. We can overcome tough times, hard times, difficult times, challenging times. We can improve aspects of our mind, our body, our spirit. Different people do it different ways. For me, it's been a mixture of taking control of my own mindset, my surroundings, reconnecting with and strengthening my relationship with God. But it's holistic. We're talking about everything here, okay? It's not just one thing, okay? And this applies to anybody. How you reconnect with yourself and the higher realms spiritually is up to you. You could use the word God, you could use religion, you could use theology, you could use spirituality, whatever. But there are realms greater than us, okay? Tap into your own mindset. What you think, who you surround yourself with, and what you feed up here, okay, impacts a lot of your outcomes, more than you know. So part of this video is to help impact that part of you, okay, because one of the ways I overcame being 39, depressed, down, unhealthy, was by reprogramming up here, okay? So you're gonna see 10-year time lapse to the 49-year-old version of me. As you're watching this right now, at the time of me recording this, it's 3 years after that 49-year-old recording video of me doing that fat burning cardio session. So almost 52 right now, 49, 50, 51. So almost 3 years later, okay? 51, be 52 in a few months. Actually, next month, I'll be 52, okay? And I'm even healthier now on the inside. than I was at 49, okay? So I share all this with you to inspire you. Doesn't matter how down and out you think you are, it's not as bad as you think. And success and finding your best you is closer than you think. With the right guidance, you can get there, okay? I share this video, I share these two clips spliced together and condensed to give you what you need to see in real time, that yes, it's possible, yes, it's doable, yes, it's achievable. And you don't have to kill yourself. You don't have to do crazy diets. You don't have to go beast mode. No. If you already know me, you know we do the opposite. We do the opposite. If you want more information on all that, just follow the links below. There's a link to my free program down below. If I'm brand new to you, follow the link down below after you watch this video, after you go check out the other ones. All right, here we go. Pay attention. Watch me in the first one. Watch me in the second one. See and feel the difference. Peace and much love. Excuses here. We got a jump rope, and I realize not everybody can jump rope. So if you are a beginner and you can't jump rope or you're not sure, what you do is you get 2 medium or long length socks, put a tennis ball inside each sock, and you're going to hold the ends and let those tennis balls act as your jump rope. It doesn't matter that nothing's going down underneath your feet. The key is that we're moving the body in a coordinated way, and that's what's going to get you to the next step. Eventually you'll be using a jump rope. So we got our jump rope here. I'm not sure if you can see my mug because I want you to see the body movement here, but that's okay. My friends always told me I got a great face for radio, so lucky you if you don't see me. All right, we're going 20 reps on the jump rope. Then we're going to move into the next cardio exercise. It's okay if you get stuck. We're not professionals here. We're just trying to exercise. And should be on 20. And we're going to call that 20. We're going to set the rope down. Next exercise in the circuit, I simply call up and downs. Other people have different names for it. I like to keep it simple. So we're going to come down to the ground with the hands, back with one leg, back with the other, in with the first one, in with the second, all the way up. Down. Hey, it's Joey Atlas here, exercise physiologist, private fitness coach and consultant. I got a little treat for you. Somebody sent me a message. They said, hey, what kind of cardio can I do when the weather's bad and I want to stay either home, I don't have a treadmill, or I'm at a hotel and I want to just do something in the room, or if I'm at a friend's house and they have no equipment and the weather's bad outside. What can I do that's simple and easy and efficient? So I've got a lot of options, but the first thing I thought of, as always, is my go-to, and that's a mini cardio circuit. This is a fat-burning circuit. Great for cardio health, great for coordination. I'm going to be using a jump rope. And if you're not able to use a jump rope, whether you just can't jump rope or you don't have one yet, you'll put 2 tennis balls in long tube socks or dress socks, and you're going to use those as your mock jump rope. You'll hold the ends without the ball. The tennis balls are in the far end of the sock, and that's going to be your jump rope. On the ground, I have 2 small dumbbells. You can use anything, small dumbbells. You can use 1 dumbbell. You can use a medicine ball. You can even use a heavy phone book or something along those lines. Here we go. I'm going to give you the short version. These intervals, I'm going to jump for about 30 reps, 40 reps. I might keep going because we're pretty coordinated today. So let's say 40 or 50. After 40 or 50, this goes to the side. I go into what I call T-budge. We don't do burpees. I don't do burpees. We don't teach burpees here. We don't teach burpees to our clients abroad. I don't teach burpees to my consulting clients or in other states, other countries. No burpees. I know a bazillion people do them, but they stink. They're bad for your toes, bad for your back, bad for your wrist, bad for your shoulders, and they're not necessary. I don't do burpees, and I look pretty good for not doing them crazy burpees. brag, but I'm proving a point. They're not necessary. We do T-buds. These are total body up and down. We go down, one leg back, the other leg back, this one in, we squat. We bring whatever we're holding all the way to the ceiling, come down slowly, back, back, in. This is very deliberate. And even though it's not fast motion, I'm going to break a sweat. Trust me, and so will you. I usually do about 8 reps of this, so it's 8 total round trip. Much safer than your burpees. We don't do burpees, we don't even say burpees in here, but I'm saying it to prove a point so that you don't believe that you have to do burpees because everybody says you gotta do burpees. Burpees are great. Burpees stink. Burpees are a joke. Even some of my best fitness pals love doing burpees, and we make fun of each other. We have fun with it. It's all in good fun. They have lots of millennials that they train. I train the middle-aged folks and up who have to get wiser and smarter. Notice the slow, deliberate form. All right, I'm feeling that. I'm going to give you one more go-round.